How awesome is this? Like peanut butter rice. Who came up with this? Guys, welcome. So today I'm in my friend's house and we'll be having some traditional African food mukbang. Mukbang. Mukbang? You know what I'm talking about. Let's do this. So, peanut butter rice. Look at that. Nice. Red kidney beans. Stewed. Can you see that, guys? Red kidney beans.
Then you got
Steamed okra. They have another name for okra? Some people call it. The Indian call it. It's okra. That's what we call it in Caribbean or.
well, in Zimbabwe we call it derere.
Delele. And
It's
the
okra.
Indians have a name for it. I forgot. And this is plantain and potatoes.
And sweet potato.
From the oven.
Yeah.
Look at that. Start
Careful of
with
the.
peanut butter rice.
Yeah. I've already seen.
I like it. I think I left one. And they
So
need to get the rest.
this kind of looks like a couscous. Like if I didn't know it was rice.
Couscous.
Yeah, look at the color. It kind of has a couscous or a quinoa looks.
I guess
Right?
it's because of the peanut butter.
Right,
Peanut
right.
butter
Like
changes the
I
color.
couldn't tell.
Yeah.
And then red kidney beans. Let me try some of that.
Those are so good. If I should say
It
so
looks
myself.
so good. I can tell it tastes so good. So beans is a natural source of protein. And I love my greens. Some greens. So this reminds me, it's rapini, right? But it
Rapini.
reminds me of callaloo.
Oh, callaloo.
So if you're from Jamaica, you know Jamaican callaloo. This reminds me of the callaloo. And in Jamaica, there's a lot of things we use okra for. We can do it just like this by itself, or mix it with saltfish, the codfish. We cook this okra with the the steamed fish, Jamaican style, the okra, or we put it in the fish soup, almost any soup, because the Jamaican guys, they think this is a form of aphrodisiac.
Oh, really?
Okra, that's slime. That's what we like.
Is it?
I don't know, but I know it feels good going down.
Eat it. You'll find out.
Then,
I'll put some.
so baked
That's
plantain and baked potato. I'm just mixing up everything. I really, there's no method to my madness.
No, there
here.
isn't.
It's all gonna mix up going down, as my late granduncle used to say. It's going in one
It doesn't matter. how
one
you put
stomach, or in his words, one belly. So it doesn't matter.
it. That's enough. Thank you. So,
So, yeah, the rapini is as you expected. It's
Hello.
greens, we know it.
and it's a little bit bitter as well. I like
It's,
that bitter
yeah,
kind of
slightly.
thing. You see how I
Yes,
eat
slightly
mine?
bitter.
I
Is
have-
it because it's kind of overcooked? Because some people cook like partial, like a par cook. And some
Yeah.
do more like
It's-
overcooked.
Rapini is just
Still
it
bitter.
has a bitter.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So, okra. And okay, so you're doing the traditional way with your hands, right?
Yes.
And then you make this into balls. All right, let me
Yeah.
try it.
Yeah.
I'm going in with my hands.
He's washed his hands, by the way.
Yeah, I did like a few times. So I'm cheating. This one was already like
No,
a
you
ball.
have to do this to it.
All right, in the palm. Go again. Fingers
Like
to
that?
palm.
Then here,
Oh, I got this.
like that.
Oh,
create
to
a
mix
dip.
it.
You have to create a dip.
Well, look at that. You know, so when I went to the Middle East, when I was in Abu Dhabi, they actually have traditional meals with their hands also. So, and I know they do that in India as well. So it's pretty popular. I
Yeah.
think it makes the food taste better. What do you guys think?
That's what I think as well. I think it makes the food taste better rather than having it with a fork. I mean, you could like eat it.
With clean hands, guys. Clean hands.
Always clean hands.
I'm forking it today.
Because you're on camera.
Well, and I'm the opposite. I'm using my hands because I'm on camera. But normally I'd be forking it.
Yeah.
But I can't use hands in all of this because I'm not that skilled.
I'm doing
Yeah.
it for the focus.
Oh, you're representing the forkers.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, did that come out right?
Mm-hmm.
You did. I was hoping it would.
Yeah.
How does that taste?
Which one? The put.
Everything.
Oh, all right. So it's a fusion of different tastes.
Mm-hmm.
The rapini, slightly bitterish. Is that the correct English? Bitterish. Or bitterish. The potato and the plantain, sweet. And the red kidney beans, it's just like a little bit salty, just a little bit, not too much. The peanut butter rice, well, you know rice taste, right? With peanut butter. That like, peanut butter is good on everything. So now, if you're gonna combine all of it, so I said
All those
sweet,
flavors.
bitter,
Sweet,
tangy,
bitter,
salt.
tangy, salty.
I don't know, what word can you describe as Simba?
Are you enjoying it?
Yeah,
I think that's the
why
question.
Oh, so the word is enjoyable. Awesomeness. So good.
Yeah. Sometimes what we do is we put peanut butter as well in the rapini. So you have that contrast with the peanut butter.
So guys, here it is, going in with the hands for the peanut butter rice. And then like this. You're supposed to make a ball. I still haven't perfected
It's
it.
okay.
I'm making a mess. Oh boy.
And because I like chili, I've taken some of the chili that we used for the flavor. Yes, Scotch bonnet.
You know what's funny? Maybe because our taste buds are different from American or Canadian or European. We have more spicy taste buds. I don't even taste the pepper.
Yeah, because what I do is I just make sure that it doesn't burst in there because Simba doesn't like peppery or chili stuff. So I tend to be very careful. I keep it in, and then on my own food, I just squeeze it onto my food, yeah, to get the chili.
So I love pepper, but I think when you're having a vegetarian meal, for me, I don't think it should be peppery. But like for meat, I think 100% you should have pepper on meat. I know you guys don't eat meat anymore, but because now I'm doing these food vlogs, I went back and I had some chicken, you know, just for you guys, the viewers. I do it for you guys, you know, it's hard work, I have to do what you want. I had some beef too, so like for those I absolutely have to have pepper.
It's not a necessity, I just like chili.
So Simba went back for seconds there on the peanut butter rice.
I'm on the move.
He always does.
Oh, awesome is this? Like peanut butter rice. Who came up with this?
It's a traditional. It's very traditional back in Zimbabwe, right?
Yeah, and a lot of African countries.
And in a lot of African countries, I just grew up eating peanut butter rice, peanut butter vegetables,
Peanut butter porridge.
peanut butter porridge, yeah, peanut butter meat.
I've never heard of it until today. Never. Can
Actually,
you guys leave a comment below? Have you ever heard about peanut butter rice or peanut butter porridge?
In Jamaica.
I know about peanut porridge.
Yeah,
like
peanut
from
porridge.
the raw peanuts, but not the peanut butter.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
You understand?
Well, we've had.
I've had that before. It's the same taste.
Oh.
Really?
Yeah, the peanut porridge, and it's similar.
But you're saying the peanut butter, so you're using processed peanut butter in the porridge. I can't sort of figure out how that works.
Okay. Well, the peanut butter we're using it's not one with additives.
It's
or anything.
organic.
It's the one that they.
Organic, guys.
Yeah.
We try and use as many organic things as we can. But in Zimbabwe, the peanut butter that we used is fresh from being, do you say grounded, or they grind it? They grind the
it's
nuts.
homemade. Okay, say
Homemade until it's all smooth on a stone, and so it's got no additives or anything. And then we use that, and normally they dry meat outside in the sun, and then
Like how they do codfish.
Yeah, like that. And then instead of just putting onion and tomato, you put peanut butter in it. It was delicious back then when I ate it. Yeah.
New experience for me, but that's what my life is all about.
I mean, we've had a few Jamaican or Islander friends come here for dinner, especially the seniors from church, and a lot of them really like the peanut butter rice. Yeah, it was very popular.
I love it.
And also because
Alright, so I'm going for seconds here. I can't do too much. So this time I'm gonna try to make the balls. No cheating, just so like this, and then you make a
yes, like a dip,
and then I put
there
whatever.
Yeah,
in this
that's
case,
it.
my beans, and there you go. What do you call this now?
A mixture.
A rice ball. A rice ball.
Yeah. Rice ball with red kidney beans.
Peanut butter rice ball.
I'm done. I don't think I can eat more. Because we spend the majority of the time cooking. You know how when you're so hungry, and the food is in front
all
of
the
you, you can't
fragrance.
eat. Yeah.
When you're cooking, all the fragrance, like you just feel your. I don't know. I think Simba and I did pretty well still, and you. I mean.
You did. What we tend to do is we eat very light meals during the week, and then weekends.
Go all out.
Yeah, we do.
Man.
Because it's only the two of us.
Oh, I love okras, so I'm going back for okras. Simba, remember this is aphrodisiac, so you probably want to get some more.
I already had more.
As a Jamaican guy, I really love okra.
Yeah, how do you make it in Jamaica? Is that similar?
So it depends who's cooking it. Like Rastafarian here will make stews like this, just no meat. Or like a vegetarian guy, like you popular you find okra with the steamed fish.
Oh yeah.
Or like I said, okra they put it in the soup. It could be in beef soup, it could be in chicken soup, it could be in fish soup.
Yeah, I've seen that with West Africans, I think, because they can make meat, right? And then they make the okra, but the slimy one, then they pour it on top of the meat with their rice or whatever it is, or their fufu.
This is perfect. I've had it just like this with the saltfish.
Oh yeah.
And then that's nice. That would pair perfectly with the fried plantain. Or fried dumplings. You know.
So like I said before, plantain is not a thing in Southern Africa. It doesn't grow there.
Oh.
It's tropics. It's a tropics kind of plant.
Or even green bananas.
So that's natural in the Caribbean.
You see.
In the
South America, yeah.
West Africa, Central Africa, they do a lot of
They do that.
I didn't know about plantain until I came to the West. And I thought, why are people eating bananas?
I could do an entire tray of
Fried
plantain.
Yeah.
Just eat it. Fried plantains.
I think you introduced me to it, right?
What's your favorite this year? Fried plantain, fried potato, okra, rapini greens, red kidney beans, or peanut butter rice. Which one you think you would enjoy?
Well, which one would they like to try?
Which one you'd like to try? Let us know in the comments below.
everything.
Everything goes good.
Yeah.
I could easily substitute the rapini greens for the callaloo. Similar, not same, but like I could substitute that with my fried plantain or my fried dumplings, or as the Guyanese and Trini call it, the fried bake. Right? That would go nice with it. You've gave me pumpkin leaves before, like steamed pumpkin leaves, and that was also of a similar sort of.
It's very earthy.
Yeah, similar tasting to the rapini greens or the callaloo.
Almost.
Yeah.
So
almost.
we should probably prepare that another time.
Yeah, we should. We'll make it with sadza or fufu.
So guys, I'm just finding an excuse to come here and get more food. Food so good, man. That's a wrap.
Yeah.
You are awesome. It's my first official mukbang where it's an entire vlog about eating, and it was quite easier because my friends are here, or I'm at my friend's house and we're you know, mealing it together. So thank you
Well,
for
absolutely.
tuning in.
We'll get some drinks now.
All right, so
Okay.
that's a wrap for now. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All right, guys.
Share and
subscribe.
subscribe, please.
Stay true and stay tuned. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Subscribe. Yeah, man.